This challenge is called fixme1.py. It's an easy challenge in the general skills category, and it's part of the Beginner picoMini 2022 event. The description says, fix the syntax error in this Python script to print the flag. And we've got a link that leads to the Python script. All right. The first thing we want to do is we want to go over to our web shell and create an environment for this challenge. So what we need to do is make a directory. This is going to be fixme1.py. And then we're going to confirm, and then we're going to enter that directory. So now we can download the file. The first thing we need to do is we need to get our wget command ready, and then give a space. Next, we need to get the file address, which is this link right here. We just need to right-click on it and select Copy Link Address. After we've done that, we can go back to the web shell and we can paste in the address by right-clicking once more and selecting Paste. Okay, so after we hit Enter, then the file is downloaded. All right, so before we edit the file, let's take a look at what's inside this file right now. Okay, so we're going to use the cat command to print out the Python script over here. All right, it says import random. So this is going to import the random module for use, and then it's going to create a function for how to encrypt the key that we're looking for. And then afterwards, it is setting a variable equal to a bunch of characters over here. And then it's going to set the flag, this variable, to equal to this function right here, using this encryption function over here. Then finally, it's going to print that is correct. Here is your flag plus flag. Okay, so how do we correct this code right here? If we try to run this code as is, we do Python and then it is fixme1.py. We see that we see an error over here. It says indentation error, unexpected indent. So this happens on line 20 over here, and we suppose that this is line 20. The problem here is that there are some spaces before the print function over here, and Python doesn't like that. So in order to fix this, we need to delete those spaces. So let's go into nano and do that. So it's nano fixme1.py. All right, so what we need to do is we need to go down into the code and we need to delete these two spaces over here. So we can use the delete key or we can go and use the backspace key as well. But either way, we need to make sure that everything is lined up. Then we need to save out the file. It's going to be Control X to save the file. It'll ask us if we want to save the modified buffer, press Y for yes, and then press Enter to save as this file name. All right, so now we should be able to get the flag by doing Python and then fixme1.py. We get our message, that is correct, here is your flag, and then we get this flag right here. So we highlight the flag, and just to make sure, we're going to right-click and we're going to select copy. We're going to go over to the challenge page. In the flag submission field over here, we're going to paste in the flag and we're going to click on submit flag. All right, and then we're done.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.